Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make a short lesson on what Framer CMS is and the best use cases for it. I know that when I was starting out Framer, it was a little confusing, so I wanted to make this video to really demystify what it is. So, CMS stands for Content Management System, and it is a way to reproduce content without having to start from scratch. The key word here being reproduce. The prefix re, meaning to do again, and produce, meaning to create. So what are the best use cases of a CMS? These would be your blogs, if you have a knowledge base of some kind, or if you're promoting your course or masterclass and the layout for the landing pages isn't going to be that different. Why use CMS? 1, it will save you time, as I mentioned earlier. And 2, Framer's approval process on their marketplace. If you're submitting a template to Framer's marketplace and you have a section on your website that looks like it should be CMS, but it isn't, they will call you out on that in their review process. So if you're submitting a template on the Framer marketplace, be sure to keep that in mind. So I'm going to give a live case study about the Flux Academy that will show CMS in action. So a little bit on the Flux Academy, shout out Flux Academy. They are an educational platform on YouTube that talks about freelancing. They talk about web design for the most part. And this is Ren Sigal, who is he's the smiling guy on the videos. So let's go to the courses to demonstrate what CMS looks like. So we're going to the masterclass that talks about Framer. We see a lot of these pop-in effects on these courses. We see videos, more cards, a lot of screenshots. And here we see a lot of testimonials that will be on all of the pages. This is consistent with all of the pages, the pricing, and the money back guarantee that they have. And the FAQs will always go at the end. So if I go to another course, this is the freelancing for web designers course, and we still see this structured section with these modules on the left and the preview video. This big screenshot, this one looks the same. The testimonials here again. The pricing and FAQ towards the end. So this is a great case study of how CMS should be used for content that is going to be more or less the same. I'm going to briefly show how you can add CMS content from the fields that you put into your CMS onto a canvas on Framer. So I'm using my devotional page that I just posted in this example. And if you'd like to read it, I'll link it into the description box. It seems like we're missing some things underneath the date. Can you guess what that is? We're missing a profile picture of me, the author, and my name. So let's quickly fix that into Framer. So this is my Framer CMS editor. I only have the devotional page in this example and 2 categories, which are shown on the page as well. So this is what it looks like. It has a lot of text because it's a devotional. And an image, we got a date here, title, all this stuff. But as I mentioned, it didn't have the author name on the page. So I'm going to show you how to quickly add that onto the canvas. So we go back to our CMS page, and you can go to a CMS page by looking at all the pages and going to the one that has the coin icon that designates it as a CMS page. So to add the fields that we defined in the CMS editor, we'd go to this button right here on the right with the plus that says Add Content. And it appears here as a drag and drop options. So I don't have the author from that list, so I'm going to drag it next to my profile image. And I could do the same with all of the content. But the profile image was very big. So I hope you learned something today. And I'd like to know your thoughts. Did this video really help you understand CMS a little better? Let me know in the comments. And to all my designer friends, design with diligence.